I received this compressed air duster as a gift, and I was honestly surprised by how powerful it is for such a small device. This is an electric air duster that spins up to 130,000 RPM, and it puts out a lot of air. For something this compact, the power really impressed me. It blows dust out easily instead of just moving it around like weaker dusters do. It works great for cleaning computer keyboards, electronics, car interiors, vents, and even small outdoor items. I like that it's reusable so you're not constantly buying disposable canned air. The size makes it easy to store and grab when you need it, and it's lightweight but feels solid in your hand. It's also strong enough to handle tougher dust buildup while still being easy to control. Overall, this little air blower pack is way more powerful than you'd expect. It's convenient, effective, and a great alternative to canned air. Definitely a useful gift and something I'll keep using.